Hi guys, here we've got Sony Xperia 10.4 and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select system and reach developer options. If you cannot see developer options here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer panel. So once you are here, just scroll a bit lower and here you'll notice system demo mode. Mark it, and to switch it on, just use the stop switcher. And to make it visible as well, just use the second one also. So just click on the indicators and then demo mode would be active. To switch it off, just unmark it. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.